Today at Simply Home Cooked, I'm going to show you how to make the most incredibly soft and chewy oatmeal peanut butter chocolate chip cookies. Every bite that you sink your teeth in is going to be loaded with melty morsels of semi-sweet chocolate, creamy peanut butter, and of course the oatmeal. This stuff is so amazingly delicious. You're going to love it. You want to start off by putting a fine mesh sieve over your bowl and then add 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. And then you want to grab that sifter and just sift everything into that bowl and set it aside for later. Now, in a separate bowl, add 1 cup of softened unsalted butter, 3/4 cups of granulated sugar, and 3/4 cups of packed golden brown sugar. Now, using an electric hand mixer, beat everything on medium-high speed for about a minute or so until the butter and sugars are well creamed together. Next, add 1 large egg and 1 large egg yolk, along with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then beat that again on high speed until it's well combined. Now add 1 cup of creamy peanut butter to the cookie dough. And you know the drill, grab your electric hand mixer and mix it all together until it's well combined. Now you can take those dry ingredients that you sifted earlier and add it straight into the bowl. And here's where you want to ditch the electric hand mixer and use a spatula to fold everything together. Just mix, mix, mix until you don't see any more dry patches of flour appear. Then add 2 cups of old-fashioned whole rolled oats along with 1.5 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Then grab your spatula and mix everything together until the oatmeal and the chocolate chips are well incorporated into the cookie dough. Now, using a medium-sized trigger release cookie scoop, scoop out heaping mounds of that cookie dough and plop it right into your prepared baking sheet. Now you can leave the cookies as they are, or I like to take it back into my hand and round the cookie dough into a perfect little ball, just because it looks so much prettier that way, but that's obviously totally optional. If you want your peanut butter cookies to look extra pretty, you could just dot them with some extra chocolate chips on top right before they go into the oven. You'll want to bake the cookies at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. All right, I got a fat stack of these oatmeal peanut butter cookies and I'm not mad about it. I mean, this looks pretty good. This does make rather a large amount of cookies. I think there's like 40 cookies in this recipe. It's kind of a lot, but if you're baking for a party, it's absolutely perfect. And if you don't want to make all of them, you can make half of it, bake half of it, and then the other half you can just freeze it. It freezes really, really well. So whenever you want some of these cookies, just take it out of the freezer, pop it in the oven, and you have freshly baked cookies ready to go. All right, let's give these a try. And I just love the way this melty chocolate just like ribbons off. Oh, it's just so beautiful. All right, let's try it. Why is it so good? Why is it so good? This really is so delicious. It has so much peanut butter flavor and it's like perfectly chewy. I actually like to underbake mine just a little bit because I like that little doughy center, but by all means, if you don't like that, you could just bake it just a few minutes more and it's just perfect. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and that bell icon so you guys get notified every time I come out with a new recipe. See you in the next video.